60 inches. Stop being gross, Pat. Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' Frenzy. Today my helper, Eli, does not want to be in the video, but he's here and he may pop in once in a while. This mysterious package arrived and said, please install me. It's an Ezelia handheld showerhead. So we already have a similar one. We're just replacing it. The last time I did a showerhead video, all the parts were already put together. You got the hose thingy. I see some loose parts, so I'm guessing we'll need to read this. Let's be smart, guys. Oi! Fell in the trash can.
What fell in the trash can?
Oh, hey, Eli! One of these things. Okay, so I think this might be an extra gasket. Okay, so this little book has the instructions right here. There are 2 gaskets. Okay.
I'm gonna put one of the shower heads in this.
One of the gaskets.
Yeah.
Now it looks like that because you put the black thing in there.
Yeah.
We're just gonna stick it all the way in. So now this part gets screwed on to the head. Screw it onto the head. Righty tighty.
Righty tighty.
Eli did a pretty good job of tightening it. This one here goes on the shower. This one here goes together. And this thing tightens up around it. What I'm gonna do, the one that moves around, you're gonna push it all the way out and then just stick the gasket in there. Okay, so this part is supposed to get screwed in here, or screwed in together after you put the gasket in, like that. But we're gonna connect this first and then do that, or else you're gonna have everything attached and it's gonna be too hard. And although we like things to be hard sometimes, this is not one of them. We're just gonna move that. We're gonna undo this part, just so it's easier for me to take this part out, because you gotta twist it around. Oh, the gasket fell out of that one. Be careful because all the water was just dripping out of the shower head. We're gonna screw this on. I don't think this one adjusts up or low like the other one did. Where did Eli go?
I'm not Eli. I'm Eli.
Ow.
Ow. Well,
Okay, so now we have the shower head with the gasket in here, and it's ready for us to connect it.
I'm holding the other part.
Eli's holding the other end for me while I do this. You can hold this part and just turn the, whatever you call this thing. Yay! I'm gonna sing in the shower! Yay! Okay. Bam! Quick and easy. Let's turn on the shower to see if any water drips out anywhere.
Wait.
Okay, so this thing actually does adjust, so you can go higher or lower.
I'm gonna turn the water on. Whoa. Whoa!
We hadn't put the right adjustment on, but you can adjust the speed. I don't know if you can see well.
That's awesome,
Yay!
guys!
Take a shower, guys, with your stank ass.
Oh, these are the flowers! Thank you guys for watching!
Please subscribe and comment down below. Let us know how easy it was for you to do it.
And the other shower head over there.
Click this way.
That way.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye!
Tightened really. That it's tightened really well.
It tastes like doo-doo.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe